Mwana hizo picha za Namanga zimekwaje? Let me tell you guys, the trip to Namanga was awesome. The group was awesome. And the struggle was totally worth it. So tumetoka Nairobi 4 a.m. Tumeenda, we picked people, picked people. Na safari kaanza, wacha tufike Namanga. You know, when you're all psyched up, tufike, tuanze kupanda, wacha tufike. It's not a walk in the park. It's not a walk in the park. Yani unapanda mlima, unachoka, but let me tell you what keeps you going. People are ahead of you. Kuna watu wamefika na kuna watu wako nyuma yako. And let me tell you, Maureen, what woke you up? What was your agenda? You keep pushing. Let me tell you, the views were beautiful. The views were so beautiful. It was totally worth it. The struggle was totally worth it. Of course, I met new people. I made new friends. Well, let me tell you, the most challenging part. Yani unaona tu place, unaona tu, okay, this rock, I will not be able to get to the top of this rock. But someone ahead of you has done it. So who are you? Yani kulikuwa na rock ingine hapo, ilikuwa ina slide. But you have to climb. You have to climb it. And then there was this point where kulikuwa na ngazi. Kuna ngazi hapo, alafu kuna nini? Kuna stream ya maji hapo kando. So you can imagine how the soil is damp. So you can slide. You can slide and break your leg. It was scary. But you know what? I did it. I did it. That was the scariest part. So I was wondering, manzi, nitarudi tena nipite hapa nikirudi chini. So I went up. And let me tell you, when I got up there, the view from up there, the air from up there the feeling up there is so, it's marvelous and worth it. So nifika hapo juu, nikakaa chini, and of course I had some snacks in my bag, nimetoa, we are sharing snacks, we are we are so proud of each other. Let me tell you, so when it was time to go back down, I was like, my goodness, will I make it? Can't I just sleep up here? Can't we just spend the night up here and wake up in the morning and just go? But let me tell you, people had energy. Watu wako na nguvu. And clearly, I could not be left up there. No. So I was with this lady who was also very tired. And then this guy came. Twendeni. Hao watu wenye mnangoja watakuja na wawapite. Well, tukachukua bag zetu, nini, set. Tunateremka. Kushuka. Huyo mtu alichukua mkono wangu akaniambia, Maureen, tushuke haraka. Hapa hakuna nini. And I so appreciated that person. Because if I was left behind with the other team, I would be so dragged. Tukaenda ni kuteremka huku kwa magoti. Yani you're so tired, but you can't afford to be left behind. Una slide, unateremka hadi na matako. Unateremka kama umekaa. Bora ufike chini. It was awesome. It was awesome and so tiring. So awesome and so tiring. And what I did wrong was that I had the wrong shoes, and I didn't have my gloves, and I didn't carry the right bag. Point to be noted. So as we were going down, as I was moving down with that group, there's someone who asked, Maureen, how do you feel? I know it's your first time going for this hiking. How do you feel? I mean, what really inspired you to come with us? Nikamwambia, mimi venye nasikia sahi. Venye nasikia sahi, I feel so empowered. I feel so responsible because you know what? As much as I am tired, I have to make sure that my body goes down there because I have to go back home. I can't wait to just go and lie and take a shower and just lie in my bed and just thank God. And just thank God for life. Because there's some point I felt so frustrated up there. I was like, nini imenileta hapa? Nini sasa imenileta hapa? But when you look at the view, the waterfalls, I'm like, okay. Ningeona wapi hizi vitu. So I learned that you need to push yourself and you need to have the right people around you. I had the right people around me there. Hey? Twende. Next time kuja kama umevaa viatu. Kuja kama umevaa the right shoes. Next time carry the right bag. Maureen, chukua hiyo kijiti. Kata hii kijiti itakusaidia kupanda. Let me tell you, those guys were awesome. They made it awesome. So guys, we're having another trip. I don't know what the name of the hill is. I don't know yet, but I'll update you. So we have another hike in February and so many other activities that are very interesting and very challenging and very good for your well-being. Health is wealth. Make sure you do something. Okay. So I'll post that here very soon because it's already February. Today is 30th. Yeah. Tomorrow is 31st. Yeah, I'll post it here if you wanna come with us. You're welcome. I promise you'll have a lovely time. Lovely time with us. The team is awesome. I'll say that. I can say that again and again. The team is awesome. It's an awesome team. Hii nywele yangu waki. Nilipelekea watu wanitengeneze lakini hawakukuwa na nini hapa mbele. Lace hapa mbele, and so this is what I've decided to do with it. Pussy cat. Cat. Pussy cat. I missed my natural hair. I need to start taking good care of my hair. My hair has grown away. It's been a journey. It's been a long journey.